Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important summit, regulatory bodies, heads, headquarters, and establishment year. Let's start with quiz. Which of the income tax rules 1962 has been amended by the Central Board of Direct Taxes for making an application to invoke the mutual agreement procedure in form number 34F? Answer 44G. Which of the following has partnered with food delivery platforms like Domino's Pizza and Zomato to strengthen its direct distribution model and ensure a steady supply of essential products? Answer Tata Consumer Product. Domino's Pizza and Zomato are partnered with this for delivery of essential products. Indian Railways has announced the gradual restart of passenger trains service from which date? From 12th May. SBI We Care Deposit Scheme, SBI products an additional dash basis points interest to senior citizens on their FDs. 30 basis points to senior citizens. Who is the author of the biography titled Finding Freedom, Harry and Meghan and the Making of a Modern Royal Family? Answer both Caroline Duran and Omid Scobie. The central government has raised the estimated gross market borrowings for financial year 21 as per the budget estimates from 7.8 lakh crore to how much? 7.8 to 12 lakh crore. Harishankar Vasudevan, who passed away at the age of 68, was a famous historian. The government of which state has formed a panel under ex-RBI Governor R. Rangarajan to advise measures to bring the economy back on track affected by the COVID-19 pandemic? That is Tamil Nadu government. Which automobile manufacturer has launched a digital car buying platform own online to boost sales amid COVID-19 crisis? That is Mahindra and Mahindra. International Mother's Day observed every year on which date? Mother's Day observed on May 10th of every year. ICMR has collaborated with which company to come up with Indian COVID-19 vaccine? Answer Bharat Biotech. ICMR collaborated with Bharat Biotech for Indian COVID-19 vaccine. Which of the following institutions gas developed an automated UV system through to sanitize electronic gadgets, papers and currency notes? DRDO. Today once again we will discuss GDP growth rate according to some organizations for the financial year 21. According to UN 4.8%, Asian Development Bank 4%, ICRA 2%, World Bank 1.5% to 2.8%, International Monetary Fund 1.9%, India Ratings 1.9%, CRISIL 1.8%, S&P and Fitch Solutions 1.8%, Confederation of Indian Industries minus 0.9 percentage to 1.5 percentage, Development Bank of Singapore 1.5 percentage, SBI EcoWrap 1.1 percentage, Fitch Ratings 0.8 percentage, Goldman Sachs 0.4 percentage, Nomura 0.4 percentage, Moody's 0 percentage. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to the static GK. Today we will discuss important summits. BRICS Summit, member countries 5: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Headquarters Shanghai, China. 12th BRICS Summit 2020 held at Russia. G20 Summit, member countries 20: Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States, European Union. Headquarters at Cancun, Mexico. 15th G20 meeting 2020, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Yesterday we discussed some regulatory bodies and its headquarters. Today we will discuss the remaining regulatory bodies. BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India, establishment year December 1928, headquarters at Mumbai, headperson Sourav Ganguly. NASSCOM, National Association of Software and Service Companies, establishment year 1st March 1988, headquarters at Mumbai, headperson UB Praveen Rao. NHB, National Housing Bank, establishment year 9th July 1988, headquarter New Delhi, headperson Sarath Kumar Hota. TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, establishment year 20th February 1997, headquarters New Delhi, headperson Ram Sevak Sharma. FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, establishment year 5th August 2001, headquarters New Delhi, headperson Rita Tiotia. FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, establishment year 1927, headquarter New Delhi, headperson Sangeeta Reddy. That's all for today's current affairs and static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind.
If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.